I welcome you all students for today's class. I hope you all are doing good and safe. In today's class, we will learn how to compare numbers and formation of numbers. I have solved the previous class assignment sums. You can check your answers with it. Let's move on to the class. How will you find the tallest person? Here there are three persons. So from that, in order to find the tallest person, we have to compare the heights of the person. Likewise, if you want to find the tallest student in your class, you have to compare the heights of all the students. So like that, in order to find the smallest and the greatest number, we have to compare the numbers. Comparison of numbers. Consider the number 53,757, 4,381. Now we will see how to find which number is greater and which number is smaller. For that, we have to find the number of digits in each number. The number of digits in 53,757 is equal to 5, and the number of digits in 4,381 is equal to 6. Therefore, by comparing 5 and 6, the number of digits, which one is greater, 5 or 6? 6 is greater. So 4,381 is greater than 53,757. Consider the number 46,301 and 49,012. The number of digit in 46,301 is equal to 5. The number of digits in 49,012 is equal to 5. Both the numbers have equal digits, so we have to go to the next step. We have to see the digit in the highest place. The digit in the highest place in 46,301 is 4. The digit in the highest place in 49,012 is equal to 4. So both the numbers have the same digit in the highest place. So we'll go to the next step. The digit in the second highest place. In the number 46,301 is equal to 6. Then in 49,012 it is 9. So they have different digit in the second highest place. On comparing 6 and 9, we can find 9 is greater than 6. So we have 49,012 is greater than 46,301. Use the appropriate symbol. When we compare the first two numbers, that is 23,567 and 2,578, the number of digits in the first number is 5. The number of digit in the second number is 4. So we can tell 23,567 is greater than 2,578. So when we compare the next two numbers, that is 50 lakhs 36,784 and 55 lakhs 73,841. The number of digit in first number is 7 and the number of digit in second number is also 7. So we have to go to the next step. We have to see the digit in the highest place. So it is 5. In the second number also it is 5. So the third step is we have to see the number in the second highest place. In the second highest place, in the first number we have 0 and in the second number we have 5. So we can conclude that 55 lakhs 73,841 is greater than 50 lakhs 36,784. The third number 8 crore 86 lakhs 15,365 and 8 crore 82 lakhs 76,513. So when we see both the numbers, they have the equal digit 8. When we see the number in the first highest place, it is 8, and in the second highest place also they have the same number 8. But when we look at the third highest place, the first number have 6 and the second number have 2. So we can conclude that 8 crore 86 lakhs 15,365 is greater than 8 crore 82 lakhs 76,513. Arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. We know how to find the smallest and greatest number by comparing. So now they have asked us to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. So the numbers given here are 4,378, 64,805, 64,389. The number of digits in first number will be 4. The number of digits in second number is equal to 5. The number of digits in 64,389 is equal to 5. So from this we can say that the smallest number is 4,378, but the next two numbers have the same digit. So we have to go to the next step. To compare the numbers 64,805 and 64,389, the digit in the highest place in 64,805 is 6, and in 64,389 is also 6. Both the numbers have the same digit in the highest place. So we'll go to the next step. We will see the digit in the second highest place. The digit in the second highest place in 64,805 is equal to 4. The digit in the second highest place in 64,389 is also equal to 4. Both the numbers have the same digit in the second highest place. So we'll go to the third step. The digit in the third highest place. The digit in the third highest place in 64,805 is equal to 8. The digit in the third highest place in 64,389 is equal to 3. They have different digits. So while comparing 8 and 3, we conclude that 64,805 is greater than 64,389. Therefore, the given numbers in ascending order are: in ascending order, we have to arrange from smaller number to greater number. So the smaller number is 4,378. The next smaller number will be 64,389, and the next number is 64,805. Therefore, the given numbers in descending order are: for descending order, we have to arrange the number from larger to smaller, just the reverse of the ascending order. So the numbers will be 64,805, 64,389 and 4,378. Here is an example. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. The numbers are 304, 340, 34, 1235. The number of digits in 304 is equal to 3. The number of digits in 340 is equal to 3. The number of digits in 34 is equal to 2. The number of digits in 1235 is equal to 4. So they have asked to arrange in ascending order, that is from smaller to larger. While comparing the digits, we can find that 34 is the smallest number. Next to that, we have 304 and 340 having the same number of digits. So we have to compare 304 and 340 in order to find which is the greater number and the smaller number. So while comparing 340 and 304, in the first highest place, both have the same digit. In the second highest place, 304 have 0, 340 have 4. So 4 is greater than 0. So we found that 340 is greater than 304. Therefore, the numbers in ascending order are 34, 304, 340, 1235. Formation of numbers. Any numbers can be written with the use of 10 symbols. The 10 symbols are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. The numbers can be formed with the given digits with or without repeating the digit. The first problem is write all the possible two-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 2, 7 and 9 when repetition of digit is not allowed. So we have to find all the possible two-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 2, 7 and 9, and we should not repeat the digits. That means we should not repeat like 22, 77, like that we should not repeat. The given digits are 2, 7, 9. Using the digit 2 and 7, we can form 27 and by reversing it, we can form 72. Using the digit 7 and 9, we can form 79 and by reversing the digit, we can form 97. Using the digit 2 and 9, we can form 29 and reversing it, we can form 92. Hence, all the possible two-digit numbers are 27, 72, 79, 97, 29 and 92. We can represent it in a tabular column by writing the place values like ones place, tens place. If you take 27, 7 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place. 72, 2 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place. 79, 9 is in the ones place and 7 is in the tens place. And 97, 7 in the ones place and 9 in the tens place. 29, 9 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place. 92, 2 in the ones place and 9 in the tens place. One more sum. Write all the possible three-digit numbers that can be formed using the digit 3, 7 and 0 using each digit only once. The given digits are 3, 7, 0. Here there is an important thing. 0 is given as one of the digit. We can place the 0 only at the units place, that is the ones place and in the tens place. We cannot keep 0 in the hundreds place. If we keep 0 in the hundreds place, then the number will become a two-digit number. So keeping 0 at the units place, we have 370 and 730. Keeping 0 at the tens place, we have 307 and 703. Hence, all the possible three-digit numbers are 370, 730, 307 and 703. Here also we represent it in a tabular column by placing each number under its place value. So, if you see 370, ones, tens and hundreds, since it is a three-digit number, till hundreds place we have. So 0 comes under ones place, 7 is in tens place and 3 is in hundreds place. In 730, 0 in ones place, 3 in tens place, and 7 in hundreds place. 307, 7 in ones place, 0 in tens place, and 3 in hundreds place. 703, 3 in ones place, 0 in tens place, and 7 in hundreds place. Smallest and greatest natural number. The smallest one-digit natural number is 1. Greatest one-digit natural number is 9. Smallest two-digit natural number is 10. Greatest two-digit natural number is 99. Smallest three-digit natural number is 100. Greatest two-digit natural number is 999. Like that, smallest four-digit natural number will be 1000, and it goes on and on. Like that, we can go on telling. So look at this pattern. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000, and so on. When you add the greatest one-digit natural number with 1, you will get the smallest two-digit natural number. When you add the greatest two-digit natural number with 1, you will get the smallest three-digit natural number. Likewise, when you add the greatest three-digit natural number with 1, you will get the smallest four-digit natural number, and so on. We will do some sums based on the smallest and the greatest natural number. How many 5-digit numbers are there in all? We have to find the total number of 5-digit numbers. For that, first we have to find the greatest 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. The greatest 4-digit number is 9,999. So the total number of 5-digit number is obtained by subtracting 99,999 by 9,999. So you will get 90,000. So the total number of 5-digit numbers are 90,000. There are 90,000 5-digit numbers. The second question is, write the greatest 4-digit number having distinct digits. We have to find the greatest 4-digit number, and it should have distinct digits. So the greatest 4-digit number will be 9,999, but here is a condition. It should have distinct digits. Different digits should be there, not the same digit. So the first number will be 9, and the next number can be 8, and the next number can be 7, and the next number can be 6. So the greatest 4-digit number having distinct digits will be 9,876. Form the smallest two-digit number with the digits 5, 2, 3 by using one digit once. We have to use one digit only once, and we have to form smallest two-digit number. For that, first we can write all the possible numbers that can be formed with the digit 5, 2, 3. So all the possible numbers that can be formed using the digit 5, 2, 3 are 52. By reversing, we can form 25. 53. By reversing, we can form 35. 23. By reversing, we can form 32. From this, we can find the smallest two-digit number. When you see, 23 is the smallest two-digit number. So the smallest two-digit number is 23. Write the greatest number of 6 digits and the smallest number of 7 digits and find their difference. We have to write the greatest 6 digit number and the smallest 7 digit number, and you have to find the difference. The greatest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. The smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakhs. So the difference means we have to subtract. So while subtracting 10 lakhs from 9,99,999, we will get 1. Write the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number using 4 different digits with the condition given below. We have to write a greatest and a smallest 4 digit number, and each digit should not be same, it should be different, and a condition is given here. The condition given here is digit 7 must be at the unit place. The unit place is nothing but the ones place. So when we write a greater number and the smaller 4 digit number, 7 must be at the units place. So greatest number, keeping 7 at the unit place, 7 is kept at the unit place. The greatest 4 digit number will be 9,999. So the first digit can be 9. The digit should be different. So we cannot write 9 again in the second place, right? So the next number will be 8. Then it is 7. We already have 7 at the units place. So the next number will be 6 here. So the greatest number will be 9867. Smallest number. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. So 10 we are writing 10. 7 at the unit place. The next number next to 1 will be 2. So the smallest number is 1027. Summary of the lesson. We learned how to compare numbers and arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. We also learned how to form numbers when the digits are given and also when the conditions are provided. Next, we learned how to find the greatest and the smallest natural number. Assignment sums. Thank you.